Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we uncover the hidden stories in corporate filings. And today we're diving into a settlement that involves some pretty interesting financial maneuvers. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, if you dig getting straightforward, no. Nonsense analysis of these corporate documents, make sure you are subscribed. And for those of you who love to debate these insights and connect with other like-minded investors, join our Discord community linked in the description below. This filing is all about a legal settlement for Northwest Biotherapeutics Incorporated. It is not your typical earnings report, but it does shed light on how the company is handling a substantial legal battle, and more importantly, who is footing the bill. So, what's going on here is a major legal settlement that was agreed upon back in December of 2025. This whole thing wraps up a lawsuit that was filed in Delaware regarding option awards that were given to the company's management and directors back in 2020. Now, these kinds of lawsuits can get really messy and drag on for a long time. But it looks like after about a year of back and forth and some mediation, they've reached an agreement. Here is where it gets interesting financially. The core of this settlement means that the company's insurance providers are going to pay out a cool $2.25 million to Northwest Biotherapeutics Incorporated. On top of that, a portion of those disputed option awards, specifically 17% of them, are going to be cancelled. This means the company is essentially getting a financial payout from its insurance and resolving claims related to those stock options. Now, while the company is getting money, to raise another significant financial piece to this puzzle. The person who brought the lawsuit, the lead plaintiff, plans to ask the court for a pretty hefty sum in attorney's fees and expenses. We're talking up to $3.5 million. But here is a crucial detail. This money for the legal fees won't come out of the company's own pocket. Instead, it will also be paid by the company's insurers. The settlement agreement specifically states that the $2.25 million received by the company cannot be used for these legal fees. This clause is super important. It ensures that the cash settlement goes directly to the company, likely to bolster its balance sheet or fund operations, and the legal costs are handled separately by the insurers. It's a way to protect the company's direct financial resources while still addressing the lawsuit and its related expenses. All of this, the settlement itself, and any award for legal fees is still subject to approval by the court. To raise a hearing scheduled for March of 2026 to finalize everything. So, while an agreement has been reached, it's not absolutely official until the judge signs off on it. And taking a look at the signature, we see Linda Powers, the Chief Executive Officer and Chairman, signing off on this report, which indicates the company is formally acknowledging these developments. So, what's our take on this? On one hand, Northwest Biotherapeutics Incorporated is settling a potentially costly lawsuit and securing a $2.25 million payout, all while its insurers cover the legal fees. This is a positive sign that the company is moving past this legal hurdle and has a financial injection. However, the fact that there was a lawsuit regarding option awards suggests some internal governance or compensation concerns in the past. The magnitude of the attorney's fees requested also highlights the significant resources that can be consumed by such litigation, even if it's covered by insurance. The company's direction here is one of de-risking and resolving past issues, which is generally good. The key opportunity is using that settlement money effectively. A notable risk remains the company's ability to execute its core business strategies, while dealing with the residual effects of such disputes and the ongoing oversight of the court. Overall, this filing shows the company proactively managing legal entanglements, which is a step towards stability. Alright, that is our breakdown of this interesting settlement filing. What is your take on these numbers and what they signal for the company's future? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If this analysis was valuable, hitting that like button really helps, and subscribe for more deep dives. Don't forget to check out the Discord in the description. Thanks for watching. See you next time.